Good day, traders. This is Rich with some price action on the market. It's currently 4:13 p.m., June 22nd, 2021, Tuesday. Markets had a flattish open, nice climb up, flattish day, rest of the midday, and then a grind up with a pullback at the end. Make sure you subscribe if you're new, like the video, share the video, and comment on the video. Hope everyone's doing well, had a good day. Definitely a interesting market because yesterday that we made those all-time highs and the Dow Industrials, or I don't even know if we're making all-time highs, but guess what? SPY 420 back in play again today, hanging around 420. You can see the pullback here from last week, and then the climb up so far this week on the SPY. Nasdaq got more of a pop today, like on Microsoft and Apple and Facebook and those guys, Amazon. Those guys were up today, and the small cap gave a little bit of a flare too. So end of the day, I did okay. I did better than how I finished. Sorry about that. And I think my high was almost $200, but I ended the day at 97. This was the dumbest trade of the day for sure. It was a try to make a move on a early play through 5, and guess what? Once again, the early play fails. How many times can I do that? Maybe it'll take 1,000 times until I realize I shouldn't be trading that. Facebook was after the news event occurred. It was a really good news event, and I wasn't here for it. So I got a little bit FOMO, and I tried to get in on a secondary move and got squashed pretty good, obviously. DM was jumping into a trade a little early, and it failed miserably. Wish I was actually up on Wish, and then took another trade on it and lost. ALZN was kind of like a breakout on its failure to make moves, kind of like a gap or a breakdown bounce, and the shorts came in or got covered, and I kind of jumped in a little late, got flushed down, then I got back in and actually recouped some of my losses on that one. Apps was the probably end of the day unfortunate news event. It actually worked, but I didn't stay in it long enough, and I took a small hit on that one. FSR was after hours just a few minutes ago on news. I was actually up $40, and it turned around so quick. Trading after hours is no fun. I'm not worried about these guys. SRNE was news. MNAV was news. ALF was kind of like a shaky, stupid stock, making crazy moves once again, up 120%, and it's up over 17. I actually traded this in the after hours just a few minutes ago because I took out the highs of the day. Tesla was a news event. Quick pop, clove, break, ton of trade. Peloton was a news event. It could have been better, I think, because I think I got on Peloton back here, and it went up much higher than when I think I got on Peloton early in the day. I don't actually remember. INCY was a short news event. Moxie was just being Moxie. Roblox was a news event based on Stranger Things in Roblox, maybe. VVPR was an early trade. Tough trader today. We've seen a trade, EV space. I got in, I got out. Boom. SPLK got in, got out. I don't like the way that thing trades. It gets really spready. WWE was a news trade. I handled this poorly. I think I was only in for 100 shares. This was the trade of the day. On this move here, I was in at like 58 or something like that. I mean, this thing went up to 59 something before it started doing all this. Definitely, I was only in for 100 shares, and that one hurt because that could have been a big one. BBIG, I forgot what I did on BBIG. I think I just took a break of 5 and got in and got out real quick. DDD, one of my favorite stocks in the past, just set up so many times. I only found myself in it once. Fortunately, I made a few bucks on it. And it was just great trading all day long like it used to back in 2020. Twitter was the other news event, and I have 2 recordings from today. You can see it here. Subscriptions and stuff like that. Got in. banged in. Actually, it's a really good video because we got the news early and I was prepared to be in it. And once I heard it rotate, boom, I got in it, and there we go. Made a quick $66. Could have been a lot more, but not even on length, but just on size. I went away with bigger size. But anyway, $97 to close out the day. I was up like 170 to 200. I don't remember exactly. I'm a little disappointed. Still, I wanted to push the pedal with a little bit more size, but this is kind of like where I'm comfortable at the moment. So I'm just going to stick to it and hopefully keep grinding higher and not give anything back. Just looking for that one monster news play or one A+ setup to really press, and hopefully I can do that soon. So this is Rich. Make sure you subscribe for new, and like the video, share the video, and comment. I appreciate that. You guys have a good night, and I'll talk to you soon.